Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in।
And now it's time to take you to Maldives, जहां ऋतिक और बाबरा मौरी कर रहे हैं आपका इंतजार। Kites ने भले ही इंडियन ऑडियंस को किया हो disappoint, but Hrithik and Babra's sizzling photo shoot will surely light up your day. Let me tell you that you are just about to witness this decade's hottest photo shoot.
बीच के बीचों बीच एक आइलैंड में दो hot bodies. One is the hot Mexican lady and the other fondly called as the Greek god. Yes guys, you are about to witness the off-screen chemistry of the Kites pair. Hrithik and Babra are all set to take you on a hot ride by their hot avatars. Well, if the Kites pair didn't leave any goosebumps on screen, तो लीजिए आपको दिखाते हैं इस फोटोशूट के behind the scenes, जहां ऋतिक एंड बाबरा स्कॉचिंग हीट में पोजेस देते हुए दिखे काफी कंफर्टेबल। Talking about their first look, Hrithik opens his shirt. God, hold your horses! Not for Babra, but for the shoot. And Babra comes in her sexy pair of jeans and a well-fitted tee. Well, शूट के दौरान the chemistry speaks more than the pictures. इसीलिए तो दोनों ने दिखाए एक दूसरे के साथ ऐसे scintillating moves. कभी और करी बातें, तो कभी ऋतिक बाबरा को अपनी तरफ खींचते। Wasn't that really hot? And now presenting the hotter. बीच में ऋतिक और बाबरा के बीच कोई नहीं है. It's all expression which seems are making love with each other. Babra all dressed in orange and green, and Hrithik in this black kanchi make a very good pair. Well, if you thought that was hot, then you have to see this. Deck पर sun-bathed Babra Mori in this tight tee and swimming pool में Hrithik Roshan. Well, yes, their avatars are hot, but you surely can't miss the chemistry. For making the shoot hotter, Babra drags Hrithik more closer and closer by pulling his shirt, and Hrithik enjoys all the attention. Well, it's now time to see the awesome twosome getting ready for a date. The sun has set और चांद बिखेर रहा है अपनी चांदनी इन दोनों hotties पर. For a date, they call it black and again make some killer poses in here. Talking about the chemistry, it again sparkles in the moonlight. All thanks to Hrithik and Babra for showing such good chemistry. This is the day 2. Maldives की scorching heat में now it's time to sit and talk on the deck. Babra in the skin-colored outfit and Hrithik in his usually mesmerizing avatar. Laying on the poolside chair, they make a difference again by their chemistry. Up by the hottest looky, the tan Babra Mori comes in a bikini top. Scintillating, isn't it? And Hrithik makes an impression by his lemony shirt. Behind the scenes, आपको दिखेगा why they are called the hottest pair in town. On the yacht, it's time for some fun. Moving on to the beach again, Babra dons a shirt, again mesmerizing enough. तो कुछ यूं मालदीव्स की तपती गर्मी को और बढ़ाया इन दोनों हॉटीज ने अपने हॉट अवतार से। गौरव दुबे के साथ राजप्रीत सोन, ज़ूम, मुंबई।